Hi and welcome to another video. This weekend we are off to camper life at Stratford Upon Avon, where there's a lot of YouTubers going to be invited and all sorts going on. Very much like the Overlander show, but just a different name to it. I'm just sat outside Alison's workplace waiting to collect her, because we're going to go straight from here. It's a lot quicker, and hopefully we'll have a nice trip down there. It's been absolutely persisting it down all day today. I know that we're due for rain tomorrow, but we'll make the most of it, and we'll catch up with you when we get down there. See you in a bit. No traffic this time. There's normally a big hold up at the gates, but it was lovely, straight in. Saturday morning we went out last night and met some new friends and some old friends, had a few beers, had a nice night's sleep, well, sort of anyway. But this morning we've woke up and it's absolutely persisting it down. I'll just show you outside. Look at the weather, awful. But apparently by midday it's going to be fine, and hopefully Sunday's going to be fine.
I'm going to get my wellies out just in case.
Yeah, the wellies are at the ready. There's lots going on over here anyway, so we're not going to let the weather put us off.
Cheers.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of live music today and tomorrow. There's stalls all over the place. There's a fairground. So hopefully it will keep us occupied, and we'll take you around the show and let you see what's about. What do you reckon?
Yeah, we haven't been out, have we?
No, we've been nowhere.
Got back yesterday and made something to eat and then chilled.
Yeah, chilled and had a few bevies last night, as you do.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see you a bit later.
Got him well trained, look. Nice little bit of recce. Well, brunch now.
Can't beat a marky breakfast.
Stop
an
raining.
Induction hob as well, no gas.
Yeah. Stop raining now for a bit. So we're hungry. Nice bit of bacon and sausage, egg, mushrooms, beans and tomatoes.
Proper English.
Yeah. Still windy though.
It's a bit windy.
He makes that. He always cooks, never cooks, only when we come away.
It is the only time I cook.
He is. But you're better at breakfast, aren't you?
Yeah.
Kettle's on. Cup of tea. I think everybody's just started getting up. I bet there's a few bad heads today. We were good though, weren't we, Mark?
Yeah, it was good. Till tonight. So we start getting down that festival area.
Yeah.
There's a ska band on tonight, aren't they? Or is that tomorrow
That's
night?
tomorrow.
Oh, we'll be
UB4.
tomorrow night.
It's on in the
Sunday tomorrow.
afternoon. It's on in the afternoon. It's UB40 later.
Oh, that'll do.
And something about your mum.
Oh.
I can't think what it was called.
And if I must say so myself, that is a proper English breakfast. This is the social media setup. Nice and flat. Grass is cut lovely. Absolute beautiful setting right in the middle of Stattford Racecourse, and as you can see over there is the main stands. A bit of a fairground. That's where all the traders are, so that's where we're going now. And Alison's got a coat on.
Well, it was raining. I took it down the rain this morning.
Fancy this van. Get a bit peckish in the night. Any fancy going on that, and Alison?
It's just asked you that. And you'd say no.
Alison likes a red camper, don't you, Ali?
I like red.
Expensive, nearly 42 grand. 46 grand.
Doesn't like yellow. That's best favourite colour.
Yeah. And I said to him, we've got a load of it.
You fancy going back to a T5 again, Ali?
No.
Got too much room in ours now.
It's alright because I can stand up if the pop top's up.
Yeah.
Can't slouch.
We like our comforts nowadays. Well, that's nice still. This is Roma batteries. They seem to be the go-to lithium battery people nowadays, and they're even providing you with free Wi-Fi here from that Starlink on the top of the van there. That was useful when we went to Camper Van Life last week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And free coffee if you buy anything.
Now these things are getting popular by the day. Basically rooftop tent bars. Go, there's another one on top of your Fiat Panda. They're quite spacious really, aren't they? Drinking and driving. Hey!
Hello.
Can't beat a traditional sweet shop, eh, Alison?
Peanut brittle.
Wow.
I like peanut
These
brittle.
are a blast from the past, all these. Beautiful. Nice to see these guys here, Camper King, with all the cabinets for your Volkswagens and your Ford Transit Customs. Alison, how do you fancy an ice cream? It's not warm enough. Not warm enough yet. So this is the bar area and food. So over in the distance we've got the Indian street food. What else have we got, Alison? Burger Factory.
Yeah, and you've got a toffee vodka place there.
Oh yeah. Nothing to do with food.
No.
Got the bar and entertainment.
Jacket potato.
Jacket potatoes, yeah. Fish and chips.
Oh,
Burgers.
I bet the fish and chips are like really expensive.
Yeah. Now there's a new one. Japanese Korean street food. I think I'm going to give that a go later. And over there we've got a vegan food area, and we've got, what's that one? Jamaican vegan cuisine. Very nice. Just here we've got the Land Rover racing team. That's a fair old size track they've got there, look. Look at that. So this is a very, very nice setting here at Stratford. Absolutely lovely place. How'd you fancy one of these, Alison? Fastest shed on wheels. This is a Guinness World Record holder. The fastest motorised garden shed built and driven by Kevin Nix in the UK. Clocked a top speed of 106 miles an hour. Wow, that's amazing. This was in September 2020 in North Yorkshire. And this is the motor that actually gave it that speed record. Wow. Just been told that that shed is powered by a V8 458 horsepower engine. No wonder it did that mileage. Saying that, it's actually all built on a wooden frame. So it's the Saturday afternoon now, and finally,
Bit of blue sky.
yeah,
Coats off.
no rain,
No.
and there's a lot of folk turning up now. So yeah, not a disaster after all.
Bit of windy.
Yeah, it's a bit breezy, but it's still warm. It's a warm breeze, so we've been a good walk around the show. In fact, we're over here now to see where the seminars are. They've got a camper van
And he ain't had a
workshop
drink
here
today,
and
yeah.
indoor trade, so we're going to have a look inside. There we go.
Seminars.
Seminar, that's the way you say it. Here we go, this is the grandstand view of the show. That's the YouTube area over that way in the distance. Hot chocolate coffee freshly ground. That's a very, very nice T4, that is. That's been well looked after. Ruby Rose, the Misfits. What a view, Alison, these residents have got over the racecourse. Look at that, how close they are. I bet they've paid a premium price for that on race day. Then again, they've got to look over the festivals as well. And lucky. Could you imagine yourself coming down there on a horse, jumping over them hurdles?
If only I was a bit younger, eh? I can't stay on my own feet, so let alone being on a horse.
There we go, another popular one, the roof bunk. Tent on the side, sleep on the top of your car. That's a cheaper way than buying a motorhome anyway. Our friends, Budgie's Bus on Tour.
Hello!
This one's the John Player Special Ford Transit Custom. Look at this inside, it's absolutely beautiful. We've seen this one before, but we've never seen inside it. Look at that. Attention to detail. That's for any of you that remember John Player Special. The cigarettes. Look at the car just inside there, look, spinning around, the F1 car. Very nice. Look at this, the old traditional VW camper van with a side pull-up pop top. Just the colours just remind you of the old days of being at the seaside.
With your deck chair.
Yeah, with your deck chairs. I'm sure they've got matching ones somewhere, haven't they, Alison?
Not now, they've got comfy seats, look.
Yeah, very
Look,
comfy.
Oh, it's a bit of a sore subject, they're the ones I want.
Oh yeah, Alison's been looking at these. These are the old Pro chairs. We tested them at a show last week. Absolutely awesome. So comfortable, but they're just so big when you pack them down. Here's the guys from Bluefix Energy Solutions. If you need any lithium or Victron equipment for your van, these are the people to go to. They seem to be appearing at a lot of shows just lately. I've seen some of their installations and they are absolutely awesome. Well, it's morning, yeah, it's Sunday morning here at the showground and we've finally got the sun.
Yeah.
It's been absolutely persisting it down all weekend and it's been really heavy rain. Today we're going to have another walk around the show and hopefully there's a few more people here. We do believe it's actually free to get in today for any day visitors, so which is quite good for people. Got a few bad heads this morning though.
Somebody else.
Yeah.
Not me.
I was at our neighbours last night, Steve and Catherine, and we had a few too many whiskies mixed with a few other bits like Guinness and gin.
You did.
Yeah, it was good though. I tell you what though, this has been an absolute godsend this weekend. Got ourselves a new awning.
Windbreak.
Awning? No, it's a windbreak. It's been really good.
Yeah.
Allowing
I've been
us-
wanting one for how long?
Yeah, I can actually cook the breakfast outside now without everything blowing away.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Anyway, we're going to go on another walk around the show. Oh, I've just had the drone up as well. So, nice weather for it. It's too windy to get it up prior to today. There was a few people daring out there yesterday with them, but sometimes they go away and they never come back again. This is a Peculio Volkswagen. Looks like an old minibus. Oh look, there's a chair missing. Looks like it just bolts in. That's quite spacious. What's a lovely big shower. Toilet. Nice fixed double bed at the back. Look at them doors. Not quite sure about these wheels. Look at the gap there, I can't even get my fingers in. Nice set of patio doors on the back. This is a nice example of a Volkswagen Caddy. Quite a small van, but it's got the twin sliders on the side. Just under 25 grand. Very well finished. Beautiful colour. There's no pop top in it. Not quite sure you can put one in. Found a Caddy now. Caddy with a pop top. Just under 28,000. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, that's more like it. A lot more room in there, Ali. Even I can stand up in that.
I was going to say.
That's well finished. Nice colour. We don't want to go back to a small van though, do
No.
we? You fancy one of them, Ali?
Well, actually, maybe. You have to hang them through your window.
You are?
You have to hang them through your window. You've got your man anyway, ain't you?
Yeah. Some very trendy stuff on there, Ali. Here we have solar to go, or even go to. Not seen these ones at the show before.
How you doing? Put it on, you've got to put it on there. Oh, no.
And that was camper life at Stratford. So hopefully we'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. See ya, bye.